Hey, this is Jasper, and today I'm wearing my special Boy Scouts t-shirt. It's actually, if you can see this, hold on, assistant patrol leader. I really was an assistant patrol leader. Yeah, today is very special. Today is our birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
The 21st is the important day where you get to become an adult. And the tip show is 21 today. So instead of interviewing other people, I'm going to give you straight up 21 tips. Hope you enjoy it.
It's your birthday, go end it.
First one I wanted to recommend is this Friday at Tape Club, a DJ called Deep Child playing, and I've seen him play at Panorama Bar. He's always really cool. Talking about new clubs, there's also a new bar opening up called Checkers, which a lot of people are telling me is very cool. I can't actually say that I've been there. Marcus Troyan, who runs Weekend Club, is opening up another club in Friedrichstrasse. It's in September, so keep your ears peeled for that. Music-wise, I've been listening to a band called Jaguar Love, which is really cool. I've also been listening to a band called Kid British, which are a ska band. These guys do it a bit better than everybody else. Kid British. And just last night, I also saw a band called Boston Eagle with 2 girl bass players, and worth checking out. Another music tip is check out www.rockabyebaby.com. And what they do is they take pretty cool bands. They have things like Nirvana, The Cure, Smashing Pumpkins, and they turn them into music for babies. It becomes like nursery music, but with all your favorite bands. Have a look at it. The music I've been listening to is the soundtrack from the movie 3:10 to Yuma, which is also a fucking kick-ass western, and the music also is fantastic, totally dramatic. Called Hot Chip, which are getting pretty famous now. And I first heard about them 10 years ago. People were telling me I should check them out, and it's taken me 10 years to check it out. Cookie has another club, which I think is also in the near from the Tape Club, Crackers, which is very cool, and that's a lot smaller, a lot more vibey. And also the Bassi Club, I don't know if we talked about it before. I saw Singapore Sling play there last night, but Bassi is trying really hard to support local bands, and it's a fun place. Food-wise, I'm a total junk food-aholic. For the best burgers in Berlin, guaranteed. The Bird, which is on the other side of Mauer Park in Gleimstrasse, I think. On Oderberger Strasse, there's Fat Ass Pizza, which is really like having New York pizza. And the best burritos, I reckon, are for Mexican food, quesadillas and burritos and nachos, is Dolores, which is off Mundstrasse in Hackischer Markt. So good food, Grill Royale, which is, okay, it's totally yuppie, but actually the food is fantastic. And there's always lots of sexy, beautiful people to have a look at. I thought I'd give you some real art tips. Give my top 3 favourite photographers. Antoine de Agata. He did a series a long time ago called 1001 Nights, which is an amazing series. He also has a book called Insomnia, which is very much worth checking out. Bill Henson. He's an Australian photographer, but he became famous for some work on the Paris Opera, where he shot pictures of all the street children. And Trent Park, another photographer, he's a Magnum photographer, and he did a fantastic series called The Seventh Wave. A TV series worth checking out is this, Frontline. If you like things like The Office and Extras, any of that Ricky Gervais type stuff, this is very similar. It's about us. An extra tip, you should check out a new portrait artist called Fiona Lowry. She does mostly self-portraits, and sometimes she does images of places where bad things have happened, mass murderers and things like that. Really cool stuff. Best model agency in Berlin? Got to be Instinctive Models. I think so.